Okay, here is a three-way switch created with multi-sim. First, here is my power source, which is 110 volts source. Here is my ammeter monitoring the amps. Here is the first switch, S1, and here is the second switch, S2. This can be switched on one side of the hall, and this can be switched on the other side of the hall. Then here is my ground, and here is my resistor, which in this case is a light. So now I have it running, so let's stop that. Now I can see that my circuit is not complete anymore because there is a gap right here, and also there is another gap right here. Let's start the simulator again. By hitting the first switch, the light turns on. If I am in one side of the hall, I can turn the switch on, and if I am in the other side of the hall, I can turn the switch off. And vice versa of my three-way switch demo.